What's up, guys? It's your boy Maxwell, and today we're gonna do another video on FNAF. Yeah, my cat bit me. That really hurt. His name is Zane. He's over there. But I know it's been a while. Sorry about that. Just that I haven't been really feeling like it lately. And I know I gotta keep the channel running, and so I'm gonna do my best. Alright, but today we're going back to Freddy Fazbear Pizzeria. I remember this game. I'm gonna make it hard on it. Bruh. Pepperoni. Nah, just like cheese. Too bad I had to restart. And it broke. Like, we got a new computer and it didn't break. Well, the old one was, like, had horrible internet connection. So we're getting a new one. So we got a new one, but my dad didn't carry it over. This is always hard. Alright. Are you kidding me? No! Man, I hate this part. Be careful not to activate it again. No, no, stop. All they want is pizza! Yeah, that's my mom over there, just so you know. Mom, I'm recording a video, can't you see? Shh. I'm just kidding. Oh, stupid. You still know the pizza. I'm like, who does that? That's just cruel. Man, everybody loves pizza. You can't have it all to yourself, though. Come down here. But yay. Oh, come on. Oh, I hate him so much right now. Yes! I forget what happens. What the heck? Oh yeah, now I remember. Are you kidding me? No! Is that part of it? I can't remember. Yeah. Alright. Get that creepy doll out of here. Look, 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 look. Step, step, step. I'm watching you. Oh yeah.
Begin tape. Leaving dead space. 3, 2, 1. The purpose of this tape is to test automated response times and reactions from vintage interactive attractions following audio stimuli. If you are playing this tape, that means that not only have you been checking outside at the end of every shift, as you were instructed to do, but also that...
By the way, I played this before. Last time I failed so badly.
You have found something that meets the criteria of your special obligations under paragraph 4. Follow these instructions, document response times, then safely secure the space before leaving. Upon sealing the room, you are not to return. Begin audio prompt in 3, 2, 1. Document results. Begin audio prompt in 3, 2, 1. Document results. Begin audio prompt in 3, 2, 1. Document results. Begin audio prompt in 3,
2,
2,
1.
1. I can't remember.
It's a new
Scare
day.
me.
It's your time to shine. It's time to take your career into your own hands. You've saved money your whole life. Great. Now it's time to put all your eggs into one basket and take a huge gamble on your future. A gamble that comes with a 100% chance of success in some cases. What are we talking about? We're talking about becoming a fazbear entertainment franchisee. That's right, restaurant ownership and management. Something almost anyone can do with a limited degree of success. Sure, it's a lot of money to invest, but everyone's doing it. And that means it's safe and lucrative. With your initial investment, you'll receive everything you need to get started, including a small room, some tables, and electricity. But don't forget about the money you had left over after buying your franchise package. Use it to decorate, buy a stage, buy attractions
Oh my
and
gosh.
animatronics, and much, much more. Now, let's take a look at a few things that will help you get started as a fazbear entertainment franchisee, such as atmosphere. Making sure your establishment has an inviting atmosphere is essential to bringing in new customers. Entertainment. Having a lot of entertainment value in your restaurant will ensure that customers come back. Bonus revenue. Coin-operated games and attractions can generate additional revenue during the
What
day,
the heck?
which
Saving
means
money
more
is
money
not
in your pocket, ready for reinvestment. Health and safety. There may be times when you purchase something of questionable quality, and we don't blame you. Cutting corners is just good business. But there are steps you can take to ensure you don't get sued for it. And that brings us to liability. Being a thrifty shopper is smart, but be aware that buying things on sale comes with a certain amount of risk. Aside from the daily risk of lawsuits, there's also the risk that something might be hiding inside whatever you just purchased with that steeply discounted price tag. Of course, that would only be a serious danger if there were something outside that's been trying to get in for months now, which we are not confirming to be the case. This concludes the amount of help we are legally obligated to provide. Remember, you are now the face of the newly rebranded Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. Wear that smile with pride, and let's make some money.
I don't know how
Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for disappearance, death, or dismemberment.
Oh my gosh. I forgot about that part. I love that part. I love it.
Let's see how much cash you had left over after purchasing your franchise package. Great, that should be more than enough. Now let's get started. On your left are your product catalogs. You can unlock more expensive catalogs by simply purchasing items for your pizzeria. Use the arrows in the bottom right of the item window to browse the products for each catalog. When you're finished shopping, click the button labeled Blueprint Mode to place your items. To open your restaurant for business for the day, click the button labeled Finished in Blueprint Mode. Give it a try and do some shopping.
Okay. Got a Coke beside me. I'm not sponsoring them, by the way. I'm just thirsty. Oh yeah, I forgot. Play test. I like the part. Ooh, it's there! You ready? So savage. At this, bro, I'm savage. I'll show you. Oh. Oh my gosh, I just murdered him. Oh my gosh, I like that snapping sound. It sounds so sad. Ooh. Okay, I won't snap his bones again. Oh wait, yeah. Oh no. Excuse me. Sorry, $400. Alright, I'm ready. Let's go.
Your restaurant is now officially open. Awesome. That doesn't mean your job is finished, however. You have a lot of work to do while patrons eat their pizza in the other room. From your terminal, you have supplies to buy, papers to print, and repairs to make. Once you've taken care of all the items on your to-do list, you can log off for the day and get out of there. Money for supplies and repairs comes out of petty cash, so don't worry about it coming out of your pocket. We've got you covered. The only money you have to worry about is if you choose to upgrade any of the equipment in your office. Now, on to other matters. Something to be aware of is that the ventilation system and your terminal are pretty loud and may prevent you from hearing things in adjoining air vents.
So creepy.
That won't be a problem if there's nothing in the vents. However, if you feel that something might be in the vents, you have a few tools at your disposal to protect yourself. You can shut off your terminal and the ventilation system at any time to decrease the amount of attention you are drawing to yourself. Also, shining your light directly into a vent will most likely prevent anything from jumping out. You also have 3 tools available from the terminal itself.
It never
There is a
works for
motion
me.
detector, an audio decoy, and a secondary ventilation unit. Keep in mind, however, that you can only have one of these active at any given time. Now get to it. Simply log off when you've completed your tasks for the day, and you can go get some coffee.
I'm go right ahead and just skip this. I wish I could do that. I wish I could do that. Just a click of a button and it replaces bulbs, and clogs the toilet, cleans the dishes. I wish I had a program like that. A computer like that. Well, that was easy.
Great job. It looks like you're getting the hang of this. Now let's just focus on getting you through your first week. There's a big party here Saturday, and you should view that day as your ultimate test.
Well,
Make it through Saturday, and you will have proven yourself as the successful entrepreneur that we all know you can be.
well, that's it for the video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. By the way, like and subscribe.